Yo, what's going on, man? I'm glad you guys took some time out of your day to check me out. I really appreciate that. If you guys can take the time to please take the time to subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the notification bell and make sure you get all my videos. This is going to be my first video I'm doing with my airbrush. As you can see, I just bought this, so I'm trying to test it out and see what I can make something happen. Now we're going to be doing a custom hat. As you can see, it's all white. There's nothing special about it. I'm going to basically have to prep it first. And that's where you have to use this, which is your X-Acto knife, and make sure you have a good, nice, sharp blade on it, as you can see. Make sure you get a brand new blade. Make sure you do that. And I have to basically tape this up using the masking tape. This is actually the paints I want to use, the airbrush paint. And we got the airbrush right here. So, let's just get started, okay? I'm basically going to start to tape this thing off, but I'm not going to let you guys sit here and go through this, so I'm going to basically speed up this process when the editing, so you're going to be fine. Let's go. Yeah, check it out, man. I got the prep work pretty much done. I had to tape up all the spaces that I didn't want the paint to touch, so I can keep those parts clean. I'm going to be painting the brim, I'm going to be painting this part of the hat, and I'm also going to be painting this part of the hat. So now it's basically about, do I really need to cut around the edges? No, I really don't need this anymore. I'm going to put this away. But now we can get to doing the fun part, which is using the airbrush. The airbrush I got, I'm still learning how to use it. I just got it not too long ago, but it's coming out pretty dope. You don't need to put that much paint, just a little bit. First color we're gonna use blue. Blue. We're gonna use that guy. And yes, it's very hot. As y'all can see, I'm sweating like a motherfucker because it's hot. And I'm in the hood. You know what it is. I like this one. You see how the air, like you can't even really hear it. Alright, we're done with the blue, so now I'm going to move on to the red. Put the red inside here. There's a couple drops. sure you get your heat gun. Move on to the yellow. Just a couple drops, remember that. dry now, so we're going to remove the tape and see how that looks. Got a little bit outside. That sucks. Guys, tell me how you think. How you like it? I think it came out dope. I really think it came out dope. Check it out. I just left, I painted the brim, you know what I mean? I left the bottom white, left that on top. I painted this, and I got a little bit of paint on other places, so I might have to buy some white paint to repair those, but I think it came out pretty dope. What do y'all think? Let me know.